Hi, it's Sierra with WTI, and I have to be honest, I had no clue how many things in my house were actually silver and how many things needed a really good polish. Howard's Pine-Ola silver polish has been my go-to because not only does it shine your silver, but it also keeps it protected from further tarnish in the future. And a little goes a long way. All you need to do is take a soft cloth or a paper towel. I rub the polish all over the surface and you can literally see the gunk coming right off of it and that shine coming through. I mean, it looks a million times better and I'm not even finished. Once it's all buffed out, you can rinse off the extra excess in warm soapy water and then you really see the difference. I mean, just check out the spoon that I've shined versus the one I haven't yet. It also doesn't have any overwhelming scent to it. It's actually kind of subtle and nice. And once it's rinsed off your silver, it doesn't linger. Truthfully, I just thought my rings were made to have that kind of brownish hue to them, and I didn't even realize how shiny and how much more I would love them after I polished them. But with Howard's silver polish, everything shines just a little bit brighter. And that's my point of view.